And for my women in bondage, you know what I mean? The kind where you're living under a man. He doesn't even fill all of your needs, but somehow you're still cooking, cleaning, taking care of the kids alone, doing his laundry, cooking his food. You have hardly any time for yourself. That sounds like prison. Matter of fact, I know that it is prison because I was in it. It took me a little minute to figure it out that I was in bondage, but I figured it out. I escaped. He was actually fairly abusive. I would like to say it made it more clear that there was a need for an escape, considering the abuse. But for the women with these men who aren't necessarily abusive, but you're still trapped doing everything, that's where it gets really confusing. I feel like that's the hardest situation to make it out of bondage because you're like, oh my God, he's such a nice guy though. Like, what's wrong? Like, what's wrong? Like, why am I miserable? It's because you're in prison. It's because you're in bondage, ladies. The reason we do walk around miserable, low key, just deep, deep unhappiness, bondage, okay? And the patriarchy put us there, okay? So I just wanted to stop by and say this really quickly. Your children deserve to see a free, loving, blissful, passionate version of you. Your children deserve that. You deserve to live a fulfilling, passionate, blissful life, abundant life, prosperous life. You deserve that. That's your birthright. You know what that means? Like, that means when you were born, you already had that right to be abundant, to be rich, wealthy, blissful, passionate. Someone took that away from us along the way. So when we were born till now, somewhere in there, someone took away our freedom and it was right in front of our eyes and we didn't see it. And now we're deep, deep in it. All of us are. Everybody's in the matrix in some capacity. All of us are in some capacity. But right now I'm speaking to the women specifically in bondage, under a man, under the patriarchy, under the marriage, under the thing called marriage, which is just a contract that serves men in their patriarchy system. Ladies, please start considering getting out of these situations. I know that sounds crazy. I know that I'm going to be the one that's like, that bitch is telling you to leave her family, and that bitch is telling you. I know I'm going to be like maybe public enemy for this, but that's okay. If I had to take being public enemy and freedom over being everybody's friend and being trapped, I'll take the public enemy for 200, Alex. Every time. As an Aquarius, being trapped is like being dead. So I will always choose freedom. And I encourage you to choose freedom too. I know you've been thinking about it. I know you've been thinking about why you're miserable. Like, I know you may have even considered a life that maybe looks different, but you don't even know where to start. Most likely don't even know where to start. That's where I come in. Watch my videos every day. And if you're really serious about getting out, really serious about escaping, I created a program specifically for women in bondage, specifically for women who were in my position at home, living under a man, being a stay-at-home mom, taking care of a baby and a little kid. And you have the whole load while the man just goes to work and comes home, and that's it. You have everything else. Very imbalanced, very impure, not free. And this is why I'm offering you this. This is why you're seeing this video right now, is because you're ready to escape bondage. Okay, you can figure out how to escape by yourself. Like, I believe in everybody. I know that everybody will make a way. But if you're wanting some help, this is why God is showing you this video. Okay, I'm creating a program that's specifically going to help you take the right steps, understand what's going on, and build yourself out of that situation. Okay. It's called Escape Women's Grounding Program. It'll be linked in the description. If I have created it already, if I haven't created it yet, it is coming. So go ahead and subscribe to this channel. Go ahead and turn the notifications on so you know that every time I post, every frequency that I'm letting out into the world, that's going to get you one step closer to escaping this non-ideal situation. Okay, ladies, I'm sending so much love, y'all. You deserve much better than the life you're living, and you know it. So let's get it, girl. Bye.